Before everything fell apart, I believed in forever. Forever felt real, warm, familiar, like a heartbeat you never question until it stops. They don't tell you this growing up, that love isn't always safety. Sometimes it's a slow, sweet poison, disguised as comfort. I thought love was a home. Turns out, it was a mirror. And mirrors don't lie. People do. The funny thing about betrayal? It doesn't hit you like lightning. No, it drips. One red flag at a time. One ignored instinct at a time. Until the day your heart finally whispers, something is wrong. And when the truth crashes through, it doesn't break you in one blow. It breaks you in pieces you have to gather alone. This isn't a story about losing someone. This is the story of the day I stopped losing myself. I used to believe love was a home, a warm place you return to, no matter how cold the world gets. I believed loyalty meant forever, and forever actually meant forever. I believed promises were sacred, and the person you chooses you back every single day. Funny, isn't it? How life takes everything you believe and proves you wrong in one single moment. I wasn't naive. I wasn't stupid. I was in love. And love, my friend, is the most beautiful, dangerous illusion a human can taste. For years, I built a life around someone. A life so carefully crafted, so deeply rooted in trust, that I forgot one thing. Love isn't always loyal. Sometimes love is the blindfold they tie over your eyes right before they push you off the cliff. And I jumped willingly, smiling, believing there was someone at the bottom waiting to catch me. Turns out, he was the one who pushed me. I woke up every day with purpose. I cooked breakfast. I laughed at his stupid jokes. I picked up his shirts from the floor like it was a duty written in my DNA. I planned anniversaries, even the ones he forgot existed. And when he came home tired, I held him like the world was heavy on his shoulders, even when it was crushing mine. That's the thing about loving deeply. You think sacrifice is a form of currency, and devotion is investment. But real love doesn't drain you dry. Real love doesn't feel like survival. Real love doesn't ask you to shrink so someone else can feel bigger. Mine did. The betrayal didn't hit like a storm. Storms give warnings, clouds, thunder, wind. No, this betrayal was quiet, soft, like a knife sliding between ribs, with a whisper, not a scream. It started with a tone, a coldness, a different kind of silence, the kind that speaks louder than yelling ever could. His phone turned away. His smile disappeared. His hugs got shorter, colder, strategic. You don't notice the first crack, or the second, or the third. You just wake up one day and your heart knows something your mind is terrified to accept. And then, the truth arrives. Not gently, not politely. Truth always arrives violently. A message, a voice note, another woman's laugh echoing in my own home like a ghost haunting walls that once held promises. She called him baby. She said she missed him. She talked about a future that wasn't mine. And in that moment, I swear, time didn't stop. It collapsed. I didn't break down. I didn't scream or throw things. Heartbreak can be loud, but real betrayal is silent. It suffocates. It steals oxygen, hope, identity, memory, one breath at a time. My hands shook, my chest tightened, but my voice was calm. Because grief doesn't always cry. Sometimes grief stands still and watches the world burn around it. People say heartbreak feels like dying. No, death is mercy. Heartbreak feels like living while everything inside you has already died. Your chest beats, but your spirit doesn't. Your eyes open, but you don't see. You breathe, but nothing tastes like air anymore. I sat on the bathroom floor that night, tiles cold, reality colder, and for the first time in my life, I asked myself a question I never thought I'd face. Who am I without him? And the silence that answered hurt more than the truth that shattered me. When you build your identity around loving someone, losing them feels like losing yourself. But here's the twist. You don't lose yourself when someone betrays you. You lose the version of yourself who believed they never would. And it hurts. God, it hurts. But pain isn't the enemy. Pain is the mentor. Pain doesn't destroy you, it clears the path for who you were meant to become. And on that bathroom floor, with tears drying on my skin and truth bleeding through my chest, something inside me didn't break. It woke up. Healing doesn't come with fireworks. It comes with mornings you don't want to get up but do anyway. It comes with meals you force yourself to eat because starving doesn't fix heartbreak. It comes with nights you cry quietly and mornings you pretend you're okay until one day you're not pretending anymore. Healing is not beautiful. Healing is not graceful. Healing is not cinematic. Healing is messy. Healing is swollen eyes in grocery store aisles. Healing is deleting pictures at AM then restoring them at 3 a.m. Healing is breathing through pain that feels like drowning in your own living room. But healing is also strength building silently, smiles returning slowly, heartbeats steadying gradually, hope whispering instead of disappearing. I didn't heal because I'm strong. I healed because I had no choice. You either rise or you let the pain become your grave. And I refused to die in a story written by someone who couldn't love me right. So I got up, not gloriously, not immediately, but eventually. I packed memories like they were fragile glass. I folded love like it was laundry I would never wear again. I looked at the life I built and I walked away from every piece that didn't honor me. Leaving isn't weakness. Leaving is choosing yourself after someone else failed to choose you. And I walked not towards revenge, not towards anger, but towards me. Towards the woman I left behind while loving someone who didn't deserve the version of me he received. I didn't take my heartbreak to punish him. I took it to rebuild me. And step by broken step, I came back to life. Now I laugh louder. I breathe deeper. I love softer, but I love smarter. My heart isn't closed. It's just guarded by a woman who finally understands her worth. I don't hate him. Hate is still a connection, and I refuse to waste energy feeding ghosts. I don't want him back. I don't want revenge. I don't want answers. I want peace, and peace came the moment I realized that he never lost him. He lost me. He lost the woman who prayed for him, who protected him, who believed in him when he didn't even believe in himself. He lost loyalty he never deserved. He lost love he never valued. He lost a life he will never find again. And me? I gained clarity. I gained strength. I gained myself. The girl who loved him, she's gone. And the woman who replaced her, she doesn't beg for loyalty. She expects it. She doesn't chase love. She attracts it. She doesn't break when betrayed. She rises, because the strongest version of a woman is the one who rebuilds herself from the pieces someone else tried to shatter. So here's my truth. I didn't survive betrayal. I transformed through it. I didn't lose love. I outgrew what I thought love was. And the day I walked away, I didn't close a chapter, I started a whole new damn book. A book where I choose me, where my heart isn't up for negotiation, where my worth isn't measured by someone else's blindness. And if love finds me again, it will meet a woman who knows. Love is a gift, not a prison. Trust is earned, not assumed. And forever is a promise that requires effort, not excuses. My story isn't about heartbreak. My story is about rebirth. And if you're listening right now, hurting, doubting, breaking, hear me clearly. You don't heal by going back to what broke you. You heal by returning to who you were before the pain, and then becoming someone even stronger. One day, you'll wake up and the pain won't feel like home anymore. You'll smile without forcing it. You'll breathe without hurting. You'll love without fearing. And on that day, you'll look back and whisper to yourself, I didn't lose them. I found me. And that right there is the most powerful ending any betrayal could ever have. Not revenge, not hate, just evolution. I don't hate him. Hate still means you care. I don't want him back, and I don't want revenge. Revenge keeps you tied to the fire, and I earned my peace the hard way. I didn't heal to prove him wrong. I healed to prove me right. One day, he will tell someone, I once had a woman who would have given me the world, and he'll be right. But here's the part he'll never say. I lost her because I wasn't man enough to deserve her. And me? I won't flinch. I won't look back. Because I didn't walk away empty, I walked away evolved. I don't need his apology. I don't need his closure. I don't need his memory. What I needed was me. And I found her. Stronger, softer, wiser, unshakable. Love didn't destroy me. It introduced me to the woman who never needed saving. And now, I am the home. I am the peace. I am the forever. Fade to black. Heart steady. Soul reborn. But not really. This is just where I finally begin.